Hi guys, welcome to Wednesday's Fundations video. We are going to do the same thing we did yesterday. So that is, we are going to do our drill sounds and then we're going to do some dictation. So 3 words, three sounds, 6 words and a sentence, and then we're done. So let's get started with our drill sounds. P, pam, p, N, nut, n, U, e, mule, u, Q, u, queen, qu, H, hat, C, K, sock, Z, zebra, z, U, up, U, E, rule, oo, T, topped, S, H, ship, sh, K, kike, D, E, ed, F, fun, D, dog, d, O, E, home, O, A, N, fan, an, E, Pete, E, R, rat, X, fox, x, S, bugs, z, C, cat, k, J, jug, j, A, E, safe, A, L, lamp, O, octopus, ah, V, van, v, I, E, pine, I, T, H, the, thumb, v, B, bat, b, G, game, g, S, snakes, I, itch, I, W, H, whistle, w, Y, yellow, y, W, wind, woo, M, man, A, apple, A, L, ball, all, C, H, chin, ch. All right, let's get started with our work on our boards. The first sound today is going to be b, b. Remember, bat before the ball, bees bounce forward, b. Next sound, ah, ah. Yep, O, octopus, ah. And the last sound, qu, qu. That one's kind of tricky. Qu is Q, U. Whoops. Here we go. Q, U, qu. All right, clear your boards. And for words, we're going to say it. I'll use it in a sentence. I'll say it again. We'll tap it. We'll write it. Ready? First word is runs. Runs. Does the she runs to first base. Runs. Does that word have a suffix S? Yes, it does, because it's talking about her running right now. She runs to first base. That means she's doing that right now. So we take off the suffix S and tap out the base word. So runs becomes run. Tap it. Run. And the whole word is runs. Let's write it. Run, and the whole word is runs. Go ahead and underline the base word and circle the suffix. Let me give you a minute to catch up. And the next word is fans. There are 2 fans on downstairs. Fans. Are we talking, is there a suffix S? Are we talking about more than 1 fan? Yeah, the sentence said 2. So take off that suffix S and let's tap it out. Fans becomes fan. Fan. The whole word is fans. Let's write it. And the whole word is fans. Go ahead and underline the base word. Circle the suffix S. And the next word is wins. Number 42, wins the race. Wins. Okay, does that word have a suffix S? Yep, it's happening right now. Wins. So we need to take off that suffix S to tap out the word. Wins becomes win. Tap it. W, I, N, win. The whole word is wins. W. Is that W sound? I, N. And the whole word is wins. Go ahead and circle the suffix and underline the base word, wins. Then you may clear your board. All right. The next word is fills. She fills her bowl with fruit. Fills. All right. Is there a suffix on that word? Fills. Is she doing it right now? Yes, she is. So that means there's a suffix S. Take it off. Fills becomes fill. Let's tap it. I, O, fill. The whole word is fills. Let's write it. I, ooh. FL or S after a short vowel, you put 2. And the whole word is fills. Go ahead and underline the base word. Circle that suffix S that we didn't tap out. Fills. All right, and the next word is locks. He locks the doors to the car. Locks. Is there a suffix S on that word? Yes, there is. Let's take it off. Locks becomes lock. So we take off that S, lock, tap it. L, A, K, lock. The whole word is locks. L, A, O, octopus, A. K, L, A, K. Now we have the K sound after a short vowel at the end of the word. It is CK, ladies and gents, CK. And the whole word is locks. Go ahead and underline that base word, circle that suffix. All right, we're getting pretty good at these. Our last word is quits. She yells and quits the game. Quits. Is there a suffix S at the end of this word? Quits. Sounds like it ends in an S. She yells and quits the game. That means she's doing it right now. She just quit. Quits the game. So we take off that S. So quits becomes quit. Let's tap it. It. Quit. The whole word is quits. Q-U, ladies and gents. It. And the whole word is quits. Oh, I wish I'm going to. It. Quits. Underline that base word. Circle the suffix. All right. Once you are done with all 3 of those words, clear your board. We have to do a sentence and then we're done for the day. Okay. Your sentence is, she sits here on the deck. She sits here on the deck. She sits here on the deck. I'm giving you a second to write as much of that sentence as you can before I get started. She sits here on the deck. All right, let's get started. I'm writing a sentence, and the first thing I'm writing on my board needs to be a capital. He, I see a chunk in that word right there. sh. He, she. I also see a digraph. And I see the word he. Sh, he, she. She sits. Sits. I hear that word ends in an S sound. That's probably a suffix S, so I'm going to take it off. She sits becomes sit. Tap it. It. Sit. The whole word is sits. Let's write it. It. Sits. She sits here. You may not know how to spell here, and that's okay. What sounds do you hear, though? Here. I hear that. H. E. That is the long sound of E. Do you remember the card E, Pete, E? That looks like this. This is a great example. This card means that the magic E jumps over whatever letters right here and tells that E to say its name. So she sits here. E, and then I'm thinking E. What letter is going to go in right where that dash is? The here. And then to make this E say its name, I need to add the E on the end. She sits here on the deck. On. I know how to spell the, making sure I include my spaces. She sits here on the deck. Tap out the word deck. Does it have a suffix S on it? It doesn't. We can just tap it. Deck. D. C into D, ladies and gents. C into D. Oops. Ending sound is k. After a short vowel, is it C? Is it K? Or is it CK? It's CK. CK comes after a short vowel, usually at the end of the word. She sits here on the deck. Is that a period or a question mark? She sits here on the deck. Definitely a period. I'm going to check my sentence. Do I have all the words? She sits here on the deck. Yes, I do. Do I have spaces? Yes, I do. Do I have a capital at the beginning and a period at the end? Capital, period. Yes, I do. Do I have all lowercase letters? Except for my capital at the beginning? Yes, I do. This is a great first grade sentence. All right, guys. Tomorrow, you're going to take your test. So there is no video except for me doing the sounds. And then on Friday, we're going to take the day off from Fundations. So I hope you guys have a great day today. Bye.